Hi, I'm Maya, and today we're gonna do shear lashing. So shear lashing is about joining two poles, and they're supposed to be about the same height and the same size, and that we can split them like this. So last time we did round lashing, which actually connected two poles, but today we're gonna do shear lashing so the poles can open up like this, like scissors. So first of all, I have to calculate where I want to do the lashing, because if I'll do it here, they will split like this. Maybe I need this. And if I do it up here, they will split like this. So I have to find out what's the reason I'm doing this lashing before I start. For this demonstration, as you can see, I took two poles. They're about the same size, but they're a bit bended, and that's what we're gonna get in nature. We're not gonna get strict poles like we would with a store or something. So we have to work with what we have. But I actually got these two, and I'm gonna join them around here just to show you. Last time in the round lashing, we started with a clover hitch on both poles. And today we're gonna start with a clover hitch just on one of them. So I'm gonna do the fish in a dish, 1, 2, fish on a dish, and I'm gonna put it inside and tighten this. Now I'm gonna take this piece of rope and I'm gonna go like this, just so it will be bent, and then I'm gonna start my lashing, and I'm gonna do exactly as I did the round lashing. Again, close together, no gaps, no not on top of each other, don't cross paths, and exactly as I did the round lashing, I want to do here. So I'm gonna take this like this, and if I'll do very big, it will be very hard to bend, and if I do very small, very few of them, it might break. I want to do around 6, maybe 8. I'm using a different kind of rope, and now as I'm done, I want to do something called frapping. So we did the frapping with our square knots. Frapping is actually tying this entire bunch together. So as you can see, I did a very, very tight lashing. It will be quite hard for me to frap, but I will. I'm going like this, and I want to do maybe 2 fraps because I tied it quite tightly. 1, see, 1, that's 1, and 2. 2 fraps will actually be enough for this type. I'm going to do full frapping, so that I have 2 all around. And now I want to close it again, and I want to close it with a clover hitch, as we usually do, on one pole, not on both of them. So I'm going to come from the inside, and I want to use the X one. So I'm gonna do an X. As you can see, I'm putting my hand here. Gonna go from inside again. And last time I thought the way to do it is by putting underneath both of them and pulling. And today we're gonna do one more type of clover, which is not putting this rope underneath both X's, just on one of them, the top one. And that's why I can control the place where the clover hitch will come over here. I'm gonna tie this together, and this is actually done. See, it opens, and this is basically a base. I can do a lot of those and connect them together, and that's shear lashing.